Hi, Traci Knoppe here, and this week is a really special week. It is the 3rd anniversary of your web tech team. It was 3 years ago this week, actually today, that I'm recording this on the 18th of September, that I actually registered the domain name, Your Web Tech Team. And then, of course, over the course of the next few days, I built out the website, and of course, in 10 days, I was at profit with my first client, and in 5.5 months, we were doing 6 figures. So, had a rapid growth. It still is continuing. We're still doing really, really well. And I wanted to take this time to kind of reflect a little bit on the last 3 years. It has been phenomenal. Learned a lot. Had a great time. Have met some wonderful clients. I have just a fantastic client base. I started all of this in 1999 as a per-hour web designer. So I've been doing this same line of work. I've been in the same industry, the same business for actually 13 years, not just 3 years. And I started out as a per-hour web designer doing shopping cart systems for people and setting up shopping cart systems and e-commerce sites. And quickly, because I had very, very technical type skills, I was installing, message forums and all sorts of other scripts or anything really technical related. I could do it. And so when I came up with this idea and this concept 3 years ago for your web tech team, I realized there was some issues with the way I had been running business. Being a per-hour web designer, I can only handle one person at a time. I can only help one person at a time. So what I decided to do was to hire a team and kind of change the business model using the same skills and everything that I had been doing, which was much broader than a normal web designer probably would do. And hire a team to help me so I can help more people at once. And so that's really, how it all started. That was the genesis of your web tech team. And so now we can not only set up brand new websites in HTML or WordPress. I've been using WordPress since 2003. And in June of 2009, I wrote and launched Beginner to Blogger in 4 weeks, which is a WordPress course on how to set up WordPress and use WordPress. So we do a lot with WordPress. That is probably the primary system that we use, but we do still do some HTML websites for people. So we can not only work with WordPress, we can work with HTML. Obviously, we work with shopping cart systems. The primary ones that we use for most clients just about every day is one shopping cart or premium web cart. Obviously, we work tons with PayPal, integrate all that with your merchant account. But we also step in and manage these things. So if you already have something set up, we also can step in, and if you need help just managing it going forward, adding new products or whatever to your website or to your shopping cart, we can do that too. Same way with your website. If you already have a website and you just need somebody to go in and upgrade your WordPress, keep your plugins, your themes, and all that kind of stuff upgraded, we can do that and back everything up for you. We can handle that. So we can kind of step in on existing sites and kind of take over as your tech management team. That's really kind of the essence of what we do. Or if you're starting out fresh or you need to build a new site for a new niche or a new event or whatever, we can certainly help you with that as well. So not just brand new, but also do the management part of it. We work with affiliate programs. We can set up affiliate programs for you, or we can go in and if they need updating or you need new media or text ads or something like that, or maybe tweak the emails that go out to your affiliates, or if you want to send an email out to your affiliates, we can do that. We handle autoresponder services, work with Aweber all the time, and of course in one shopping cart and some other ones as well, can get those scheduled up and ready to go for you. So we do all of that kind of stuff. Sales funnels, we can set up your sales funnel process for you for your product launch or anything that you're wanting to sell. Giveaways on your website, set up the opt-in form and maybe give them a free ebook or guide or report or something like that you want as an opt-in generator. We can do all that as well. So quite a bit that we do. There's just a very few things that we actually don't do. We don't do your bookkeeping. I don't even do my own. My husband does it. Not a bookkeeper. I'm not really a graphic artist. Now, we can do some graphics. We do a lot of Facebook timeline covers and things like that. We can certainly manipulate graphics. We have all the graphics programs, but graphic artists, is not our strong suit. So if you're looking for graphics, I've got some people that I can refer you to. We can work with them from there and customize your theme with those and all of that. But we are not the people to go to for your branding, graphics, and all that. We don't do that. We don't do content writing. Certainly know how to write, but it's a time consuming thing, and it takes us away from our focus and our niche, which is very specific, which is the technical. We help you implement all of those pieces and put them together. We can help you come up with the process that you need, because I am also an internet and an affiliate marketer, so I do these processes myself. So I'm not just the technical. I know the technical, and obviously so does my team. But we also know how everything fits together because we do it, not just for clients, but in my own business I do it as well. So, and we're not going to pick up your virtual dry cleaning, and we're not going to remind you of your appointments and things like that. We're not admin type VAs, and some people do call us VAs, but we're more technical VAs. We really lend towards website management and technical type tasks. We don't do transcription or anything like that. So if you need help with those things, I certainly can refer you to somebody who can do those for you. But those are not tasks that we do directly here in-house with your WebTech team. But over the years, we've done really well. We've grown. We've learned a lot. We've changed some things. One of the things that I did a couple of years ago was I was finding that the original concept of your WebTech team was to have a monthly retainer where you were hiring us to manage all of your work. And that helped keep the costs down, helped us know, income-wise, pay the team, that sort of thing. But we were finding that there was a lot of people who weren't ready for that. They didn't need that. They didn't need ongoing help. They just needed some one-time help. So I originally launched some packages called Quick Sourcing. And originally those were just separate packages within your WebTech team, but they were so popular. I mean, it was just phenomenal. And so I branched off and started a website called quicksourcing.com. And it's great for two reasons. Number one, it allowed me to market differently to different people depending on their needs. Some people need regular ongoing help. They need to know what their expenses are going to be and that they can get their work done. Then there were the people who just needed some one-time help or the occasional help, and they just needed to buy a block of time and get some work done, like maybe on a special project or something like that. It's kind of great branding for me because my maiden name happens to be Quick. So Quick Sourcing is kind of a really good branding name for me, but it's also really good for my clients because it is probably one of the most popular packages that we have. We sell them all the time. Clients are always, buying them. And when we do have some clients that come back and buy, packages over and over again, it's not set up on recurring. It's just one time. You just buy it, use your hours, and you're done. Versus your WebTech team side is for people who really need some ongoing help, and it's set up on recurring. You don't have to worry about it. No billing. You've got those tasks every month. So it works out really well. But as part of my 3-year anniversary, I wanted to do something special. I not only wanted to clarify, what it is that we do and what we don't do, and I've already done that with what we manage and set up and all that sort of thing. But I wanted to make a special offer. So if you've not yet tried your WebTech team or our services, I want to give you a coupon. If you go to quicksourcing.com, you can choose one of our packages, whether it's to buy an hour of my time or one of my 10, 20, or 30-hour packages. If you enter in the coupon code 3 years, and that's the number 3 and years spelt out in all capitals, you'll get $30 off any of our packages to try our services. This is to celebrate our 3-year anniversary, and it's good today, September 18th, 2012, through September 30th, 2012. So use that coupon 3 years, anytime between now and the 30th of September, and you'll get $30 off, and you can give us a try and let us know how you like our services. We would really like to help you and like to get to know you and help you in your business with your technical needs. So that said, I am off to start my day and get working on client stuff and check in with the team. So thank you for being a part of your web tech team, and I look forward to getting to know you potentially as a client. Thank you and have a great day.